A selfish US. The COVID pandemic is exposing many realities of life. We were busy socializing and participating many fancy celebrations. Marriages, housewarming, social gatherings, visit to malls and multiplex and whatnot. But a year of the pandemic showed us we can live without any fanfare and extravaganza. So also is the reality when it comes to friendships and relations. This is not just limited to individuals or families, but applies to countries also. A 140 crore India has been steadily progressing with COVID program. But with the second dose of 60 plus and commencement of first for 45 plus made things go slow. The shortage of vaccines made the pace of COVID slow down. Even an increased production did not suffice. India had helped many nations with supply of vaccines. The COVID diplomacy was hailed even by UN. But such an openness lacked when India caught with vaccine catastrophe. The best example of the proverbial a friend in need is a friend indeed. But all are not liberal in thinking. The United States is sitting on a huge stockpile of vaccines. Reports suggest they have vaccines to the tune of 3 times of its population. With the vaccination drive in the US reaching its final lap, there is lesser demand for vaccines for them. No wonder many vaccination centers in US have pulled its shutters down. But still, the US administration turned a deaf ear to India's precarious situation in terms of vaccines. The Biden-Harris administration stick to America first sentiment. But many came criticizing the US on the social media platforms. The anti-US sentiments are in air for not sharing vaccines despite huge stocks remaining in store. They argue that US should extend a helping hand to the dire situation in COVID-19 racked countries like Brazil and India. Even the Americans did condemn their administration for such a selfish attitude. Business groups, lawmakers and civil society in the US denounced the selfish attitude of the Washington. The US Chamber of Commerce urged the US government to supply vaccines urgently to pandemic hit countries like India. They feel no one is safe until the whole world is safe from the virus. Now, the ball is in the Biden-Harris court. The days to come will tell us how proactively would the US respond to the demand of their own people in helping countries to tide over the pandemic. On the other hand, Saudi Arabia has promised India supply of oxygen. After all, why should any country be selfish of something they have plenty in store? Recently, Germany has agreed to give India 23 oxygen generating plants. India is set to turn oxygen sufficient with the proposed installation of oxygen plants in every district hospital in the country. The Bharat Biotech's Covaxin will be in the open market soon. With enough supply of vaccines, India could well manage the next phase of COVID drive for 18 plus. The oxygen cylinder supplies would help our hospitals manage increasing demand for oxygen. It's difficult times for India with the second wave dancing furious. But we will tide over this crisis too sooner than later. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.